Wagwan me YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how I make this Jamaican style pumpkin soup. So first I peel my carrot and dice it. Now I'm peeling the chocho and dice it also. This piece of pumpkin we're just going to cut it in two and peel it off and dice it up. Here my pot have 12 cups of water. I'm going to add onion, garlic, pimento. Now me add in the chocho, carrot and pumpkin. Now I'm going to cover it up for those to cook and give the soup body. Here I peel my sweet potato and dice it up. I peel in one Irish potato and dice it also. Here I'm peeling the cocoa and dice them also. This is the next piece of pumpkin. I'm just going to peel it and wash it. Here I cut in my corn. I just need to add one corn. So now I wash them and add them to the pot. So I'm just going to cover it up for 10 minutes. Now I'm add the dumplings. Now I'm going to add 3 stalks of celery. Just going to break them off and wash them. So now I dice up them. Going to add them to the soup. Just like that. Add some fresh thyme, some fresh scallions, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Going to stir it up. Now I'm going to add my pumpkin soup flavored mix. Now you want to make sure you stir it properly. Now I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook for another 15 minutes. Look at this, soup is ready. Jaja. So now I'm going to serve myself a bowl. Look how rich this is. Pumpkin soup, so flavorful. Look at that. Please remember to like, share and subscribe for more recipe like this. Peace out.